So just as we did the other one, we start by area A. Of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So it will be 10 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 50 centimeter squared. Yes, then we have area B. Area B, which is equal to a triangle. And you know a triangle area is equal to a half multiplied by length multiplied by width, which will be a half multiplied by the length of our triangle is 10 centimeter, and the width of our triangle here is 8 centimeter. So we can cancel. Here we are going to get 5 centimeter. What is 5 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter? You are going to get 40 centimeter squared. Finally, we find area C, which is equal, it is a square, and a square is equal to side times side. So it will be, we have this side and the other side. It is 8 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 64 centimeter squared. So to get the total area, it is supposed to be 64 centimeter squared. So for us to get the total area, we are supposed to add the 3 areas together, which will be 50 centimeter, u plus 40 centimeter, u plus 64 centimeter. We can add together. What is 50 by plus 40 learners is equal to 90. What is 90 plus 64 learners? It will be 154 centimeter squared. Are we together? Yes. So that is how we are supposed to work out the area of that diagram. So learners, I think now you can be able to work out any diagram that has got a square, a rectangle, or even a triangle. You can be able to work it appropriately. So if you have got any question involving area of the combined shapes, you can forward it to me through YouTube or WhatsApp, and I will be able to work it out together with you. Are we together, learners? Yes. Finally, I repeat, I'm Teacher Salome. I teach Power Star Academy in Ruiru. Thank you. Good afternoon, learners. My name is Teacher Salome. I teach a school called Power Star Academy in Ruiru, and I'm handling mathematics grade 6. You are much welcome. Today, our topic in grade 6, we are going to handle area. The subject is mathematics, and the topic is area. and we are handling grade 6 mathematics, grade 6. Just as we had discussed earlier, area, it is the total space taken by a flat surface of an object or a shape. For instance, we have got different shapes in mathematics. We have got a shape like a square, a rectangle, and we also have a triangle. So we are going to look at how these three objects or three shapes, they relate to each other. And the first object that we are going to discuss, it is a rectangle. Yeah, I have got a rectangle here with me. So what is a rectangle, learners? A rectangle, it is a four-sided figure. I have a rectangle here with me, in which the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if, for instance, the longer side of a rectangle is called the length, and the shorter side of a rectangle is called the width. If the length is 20 centimeter, the opposite side of the length is also 20 centimeter. If the width is 10 centimeter, the other width is also 10 centimeter. So in a rectangle, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Are we together, learners? So in a rectangle, it is good for you to note that a rectangle is made of two equal right-angled triangles. So if, for instance, I cut this rectangle diagonally, I'm going to get two equal right-angled triangles. So let me cut it and see whether it will give us the same. When I cut it, I have obtained these two triangles. You can see they are right-angled triangles and they are equal. If I put them together, you can see they are matching. It means they are equal. So after I have cut my rectangle into two diagonally, I get the length of the rectangle, which will be the height of our triangle. And also, I have got the width of the triangle. So, for us to find the area of a triangle, because we have recognized that a rectangle is made of two equal triangles, so for you, it is very easy for you to get the area of a triangle. You just have to take the area of a rectangle and then you divide it into two. So let us first of all do that and see. So I have drawn a rectangle here. And just as I have said, in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. What does it mean? I have said here it is 20 centimeter. You will also get here as 20 centimeter. Are we together, learners? The other side is the width. If here I have said it is 10 centimeter, it also indicates the other sides of the width is also 10 centimeter. Then I have cut my rectangle into two to obtain two triangles. So I have cut it like this, diagonally. I have gotten the two triangles. So I can just take one triangle and I draw it here for you to understand. Yeah, that is my triangle. And as you can look at that triangle, this the length of the triangle becomes the base or the length of our triangle here. So here it will be 20 centimeter, and then the other side here we shall have 10 centimeter. Are we together, learners? Yeah, so up to there we have known that a rectangle is made of two triangles. Now when we come to finding the area, now having the knowledge that the rectangle has got two triangles, we want to find the area. We know the formula of finding the area of a rectangle. So area we usually say that the formula of finding the area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. And we know that our length is equal to 20 centimeter and our width is equal to 10 centimeter. So what is 20 multiplied by 10, learners? Is equal to 200 centimeter squared. Remember, in area, you should put your answer as unit squared. Are we together, learners? Yes, you should put your answer as unit squared. For example, our unit here is centimeter. Our unit here is centimeter. So the area is 200 centimeter squared. Imagine for instance, you had this. You had the same rectangle here, in which we have got the length and the width. We have said that the length is 20 centimeter and the width is 10 centimeter. And we have diagonal. Let us assume that we have got this part which is shaded. The part is shaded. Good. And then we are told to find the area of the shaded region. Are we together, learners? Yeah, can you see the shaded region? Yeah, we are told to find the area of the shaded region. We have already known that a rectangle is made of two triangles. So to find the area of the shaded region, we are going to take a half the area of the rectangle. Are you together? So shaded region is equal to a half the area of rectangle. Yeah. So is equal to a half multiplied by length multiplied by width. We have our length and we have our width. So we are just going to substitute what we have. So it will be a half multiplied by 20 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. You can cancel by 2, 1 by 2, 10 centimeter. Just as you know, for you to multiply easily the numbers that has got a 0, we multiply the two numbers and then we add 2 zeros. So it will be 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1, and then we add 2 zeros. So the area of the shaded region will be 100 centimeter squared. Are we together, learners? Yes, always remember to write the unit squared. Good. The other area that you are going to look at is the area of a square. Previously, we had learned about a square. And here with me, I have got a shape cut out of a square. What do you know about a square? A square, it is a four-sided figure in which all the sides are equal. Yeah, if here it is 22 centimeter, all the other four sides equals to 22 centimeters. Are we together, learners? Yes, very good. So, area of a square. I have drawn a square here for you, in which all the sides are equal. The same as we did to the rectangle, we can cut this square into two pieces to obtain two equal right-angled triangles. Learners, do you know what is a right-angled triangle? A right-angled triangle, it is in which we have got a 90-degree angle at the base. So I have cut my square, and then I have obtained two right-angled triangles. So we can still match just as we did to the rectangle. If I match the two cutouts, the two triangles, you can see that they are equal. They are equal in size. So it therefore means that if I find their areas is also going to be equal. Are we together, learners? So, for instance, let me cut it into two. So, I can assume that I had 10 centimeter here and another 10 centimeter there. So, if I'm told to find the area of a square, we usually say that the formula of finding the area of a square is side multiplied by side. So, area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side. We have got one side which is equal to 10 centimeter and the other side is equal to 10 centimeter. So, just as we have multiplied, what is 10 multiplied by 10, learners? Good, 100 centimeters squared. Yes, so we have discussed about the area of a square. The same if you have got a shaded region in a square. For instance, let's say this side is shaded for us. Yes, we have got the square here. We have cut it diagonally, and then we have got one part which is shaded, and then we are told to find the shaded region in that square. Yeah? So here it is 10 centimeter, and also here it is 10 centimeter. Just as we discussed while finding the area of a triangle in a rectangle, we are going to do the same, whereby area of the shaded region is equal to a half the area of the square, which is equal to area of the shaded region is equal to a half. We have said that the area of a square is side multiplied by side. So it will be a half multiplied by side, which will be a half multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. So we can cancel. By 2 is equal to 1, by 2 is equal to 5, which will be 5 multiplied by 10, which will be 50 centimeter squared. Are you together, learners? Yes. Now, having discussed about the area of a square, the area of a rectangle, and also the area of a triangle, we have instances in which the three figures are combined together, and then you are told to find the area. Are you together, learners? Yeah, for instance, I'm going to write down a question here whereby we are supposed to find the area having the three of the shapes combined together. Okay. We have that figure, and then we have got here a diagram is drawn like that, and we have got another one like that, and then we are given some measurements and some others are not given for us. For example, here it is written 2 centimeter. We also have here 2 centimeter. Here it is 3 centimeter, and also here it is 2 centimeter. And then we are told to find the area of these diagrams. Are we together, learners? Can you be able to work out this one? Let us do it together. As you can look this diagram here, we have got the three shapes that we have discussed. At first, we have got a square, which is area A. We have got a rectangle, which is area B. And we have got a right-angled triangle, which is area C. So, for us to work out the diagram of this, we have to check the area of each and every shape that is here, and then we add the three of them together. Are we together, learners? So, we ask ourselves, which length are we not given so that we can be able to work it out? Having the aspects of the ideas in which the square, all the sides are equal, and in rectangle the opposite sides are equal, we can be able to work out this sum very easily. So here we have 2 centimeter. This is a square. We have 2 centimeter. So let us label all the other sides that are equal to 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter. Also here it is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Also here it is 2 centimeter. It therefore indicates, because we know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, and also this is a rectangle, also here it is 2 centimeter. Good. So with that measurement, we can be able to work out the area of that figure. So we are going to go about it like this. So area A is equal to a square which is equal to side multiplied by side. Are we together, learners? So it will be 2 multiplied by 2, and remember they are centimeters. So what is 2 multiplied by 2, learners? Is equal to 4 centimeter. So that is the area A. Then we are going to look at area B. Area B. And area B is equal to a rectangle. It is a rectangle. And as you know, a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width, which is our length of our rectangle is 3 centimeter, and then the width of our rectangle is 2 centimeter. So it will be 3 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, which will be 6 centimeter squared. Don't forget to indicate squared when you are finding the area. Then lastly, we look at area C. Area C is equal to, it is a triangle. And we said in a triangle, the area of a triangle is equal to a half the area of a rectangle, which will be a half multiplied by length, which is 2 centimeter, multiplied by width here, which is 2 centimeter. Then we cancel by 2, 1, by 2, 1. So what is 1 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter? The answer is 2 centimeter squared. So for us to get the total area of this figure, we need to add the 3 areas together, which is equal to 4 centimeter squared multiplied by 6 centimeter squared multiplied by 2 centimeter squared. We are adding, we need to add the 3 of them, which is 4 centimeter squared plus 6 centimeter squared plus 2 centimeter squared. Learners, what is the answer? The answer is 12 centimeter squared. Are we together, learners? Yes. So this is how we are supposed to find the area of a diagram whereby we are given the 3 shapes together. So we also look at another diagram whereby the 3 shapes are combined together. We can have the diagrams on our screen. Yes, we have got that diagram. It is drawn for us, and then we are supposed to find its area. So you can copy the diagram, learners, so that we can be able to find its area together. Yeah, we have this diagram. Kindly copy it so that we can be able to work out together. Let us work it together. Yes. Copy the diagram inside your books. Yes. So that is the diagram that we have. I hope you have all copied the diagram. So let us write the measurement in which we have been given. We have been given that the height of our triangle is equal to 40 centimeter. Here we are also given 30 centimeter. we have 30 centimeter here, and we also have 30 centimeter written there. We have 60 centimeter, and finally we have here to here where it is written 20 centimeter. Are we together, learners? I hope you have all copied that diagram inside your book so we can continue. So this is the sum that I want us to look at. The diagram is drawn for us here. We have got the measurements which are written for us, and some others are not written for us. So we are supposed to find them out so that we can be able to work out this sum correctly. So we ask ourselves which measurements are there and which ones are not there. So we have got a triangle, we label it as area A. So this is a triangle A. Then we have a rectangle, we can label it as B. Finally, we have a square and we can label it as C. So that is our diagram there. So remember, for us to be able to find the area of a triangle, we are supposed to be having the base or the length and the width. So this is the length of our triangle from here to here, and this is the width or the height of our triangle. So we ask ourselves, how can we be able to find that area? We know that the opposite sides of a square are equal. So it means if here it is 30, the other side is also 30 centimeter. I want us to find the length of the dotted line here. So if here it is 30 centimeter, we know that the opposite sides of a square or side of a square are equal. So because here it is written 30 centimeter, it therefore indicates that also here it is 30 centimeters. So we have gotten the length of our dotted area here, line here, which is 30 centimeter. Then we have got another dotted line here, and we have to find its measurement for us to be able to get this question correctly. So we know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So because here it is 20 centimeter, it therefore indicates that even the other sides, it is also 20 centimeter. Are we together, learners? Yeah. Then we go to the length of the rectangle. We can get the total length by adding 60 plus 30. So the whole of this is the length of a rectangle. So the length becomes what? 90, is it? So the length is equal to 60 centimeter plus 30 centimeter, which is equal to 90 centimeter. So we know that the length of the rectangle is equal to 90 centimeter. But if you can look keenly, we have been told that from here to here, it is 30 centimeter. Because we know that from here to here is 30 centimeter, and from here to here it is 90 centimeter. What are we supposed to do for us to get from here to here? We are going to get the total length, and then we subtract the 30 centimeter. So from here to here, which is the length of our triangle, we are going to get it by taking 90 centimeter, we minus 30 centimeter. So our length here, or the length of our triangle, will be 60 centimeter. Are we together, learners? Yeah. So we have all the measurements that will assist us to find the area of this figure. So we go one by one to finding the total area of the diagram drawn for us. So we start by area A, which is equal to triangle. So it will be, we know that the area of a triangle, it is a half multiplied by length multiplied by width. So it will be a half multiplied by, what is the length of our triangle, learners? Good, 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter multiplied by the width of our triangle is equal to 40 centimeter. So a half multiplied by 60 centimeter multiplied by 40 centimeter. So we can cancel by 2, 1, by 2, 30. So we are dividing 60 by 2. We have gotten it is 30. So we have remained with 30 multiplied 30 centimeter multiplied by 40 centimeter. Just as we said, when we are multiplying the numbers that has got zeros, we are going to multiply the numbers and then we add the 2 zeros. So we have got 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12, and then we add the 2 zeros, which will be 1,200 centimeter squared. Yeah, remember we said in area you should always indicate unit squared. Are we together, learners? So the next area that we are going to find is area B. Area B, which is equal to a rectangle. Yeah, it is a rectangle, and we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. Length multiplied by width, which is equal to, we have the length of our rectangle here is 60 plus 30, which is equal to 90 centimeter. Multiplied by the width of our rectangle, which is 20 centimeter. So we multiply the numbers and then we add the 2 zeros. What is 9 multiplied by 2, learners? Is equal to 18. And then you add the 2 zeros, which will be 1,800 centimeter squared. Finally, we find the third area, which is the area of a square. That is area C is equal to square, which is equal to side multiplied by side, because they are equal, which will be 30 multiplied by 30. 30 centimeter multiplied by 30 centimeter, we multiply 3 by 3, which is equal to 9, and then we add the 2 zeros. So our answer gives us 900 centimeter squared. Remember, we are not through with our sum here, because we are supposed to find the total area of this figure drawn here. So for us to get our answer correctly, we need to add the 3 areas that we have gotten, which will be area is equal to, you add 1,200 centimeters squared, you add to 1,800 centimeters squared, and then you add 900 centimeter squared. Are we together, learners? Yes, we can add them together here on the board. Which will be, let us add them together, 1,200 you plus 1,800, you get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, you write 0, and then you carry 1, 2, 3, 3,000, and then you add 900. You will get the answer as 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. You have 0 plus 9, which is equal to 9, and then 3. So the answer to our figure here, which you are supposed to find the area, it will be 3,900 centimeter squared. Are we together, learners? Yes, always remember, each and every moment you are finding the area of any figure, you write unit squared. Remember, if we fail to indicate this unit squared here, it brings another meaning. It can be either volume or even perimeter. So remember always to write this squared here. So we have learned the area of the three objects. So it is always good for you to recall the formula of finding the area of the three of them. Are we together, learners? Yeah, lastly, we can also find the area of another figure. Are we together, learners? Yeah, a combined figure, so that when we are brought in our exams, we are going to get it correctly. So let me draw another diagram here that has got a combined area. Yeah, mathematics is very easy when you study the formulas that are supposed to be used when you are working out a certain diagram. So we have got a diagram here. Some of us fear when we get a very big diagram, but it is very easy if you know how to work it out. If you know the formulas that you are supposed to use, it becomes very easy for you to work them out. Are we together, learners? Yes, so kindly note each and every formula that we are using here, because you are going to use them in many sums involving areas. Yeah, we have got that diagram which is drawn for us, and we are supposed to find its area. Are we together, learners? Yeah, we are supposed to find its area. And in these diagrams, we have the same figures that we have discussed. We have got a rectangle here. A is a rectangle. We have got a triangle here. We can label it as B. And finally, we have got a square here. We can label it as C. Then there are some measurements which are given for us. We have been given that the length of a rectangle is equal to 10 centimeter, and then we have been given that the width of a rectangle is equal to 5 centimeter. Are we together, learners? Yeah. Then we have also been given one side of our square here, which is 8 centimeter. So that is the only length that we have been given, and then we have been told to find the area of that figure. So with the language we have about triangles, rectangles, and squares, we can be able to work out that sum. So 5 centimeter, it therefore means the opposite side of a rectangle is 5 centimeter. The opposite side of this square, it is 8 centimeter. So we know that a square, all sides are equal. So we also have here 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Then we also know that the area of in a rectangle, all sides are equal. So here it is 20 centimeter. We also have here as 10 centimeter. So we can find the 3 areas having all those measurements. So just as we did the other one, we start by area A. Area A, we know that it is a rectangle, and the area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So it will be 10 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 50 centimeter squared. Yes, then we have area B. Area B, which is equal to a triangle. And you know a triangle area is equal to a half multiplied by length multiplied by width, which will be a half multiplied by the length of our triangle is 10 centimeter, and the width of our triangle here is 8 centimeter. So we can cancel. Here we are going to get 5 centimeter. What is 5 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter? You are going to get 40 centimeter squared. Finally, we find area C, which is equal, it is a square, and a square is equal to side times side. So it will be, we have this side and the other side, it is 8 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 64 centimeter squared. So to get the total area, it is supposed to be 64 centimeter squared. So for us to get the total area, we are supposed to add the 3 areas together, which will be 50 centimeter, u plus 40 centimeter, u plus 64 centimeter. We can add together. What is 50 by plus 40 learners is equal to 90. What is 90 plus 64 learners? It will be 154 centimeter squared. Are we together? Yes. So that is how we are supposed to work out the area of that diagram. So learners, I think now you can be able to work out any diagram that has got a square, a rectangle, or even a triangle. You can be able to work it appropriately. So if you have got any question involving area of the combined shapes, you can forward it to me through YouTube or WhatsApp, and I will be able to work it out together with you. Are we together, learners? Yes. Finally, I repeat, I'm Teacher Salome. I teach Power Star Academy in Riru. Thank you.